Meet the reliable Brio Plus steam cleaner, the ultimate steam cleaning tool and the last steam cleaner you'll ever need. Since the only ingredient required is tap water, cleaning has never been safer, healthier, more cost-effective, or environmentally friendly. And it really works. Never stop steaming. The Brio Plus heats up in under 10 minutes. And with CSS continuous steam technology, you will never run out of steam in the middle of cleaning again. You simply refill the tank when the water level is low. The Brio Plus steam cleaner has been tested and proven to clean and sanitize chemical-free, all with the power of steam. Eliminate germs and bacteria in the kitchen, wipe out mold and mildew, and get your bathroom grout looking like new. Kill bed bugs in the bedroom, freshen and sanitize fabrics, helping to remove allergens anywhere in the home. Clean hardwood floors, tiles, windows, grills, pet areas, auto interiors, and much more. The best steam cleaning methods include the use of superior quality accessories. With Accessory Kit, the Brio Plus has everything you need to get started, including a convenient portable carrying case. It is so versatile, it will be the only tool you'll need for a completely clean environment. You'll get professional steam cleaning results every time.